In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rig a character with bones in Moho. Let's start by opening Moho and creating a new project. Think of this as setting up your stage. Choose a canvas size and frame rate that match your final output, then save your file right away so you can iterate safely. If you already have your character artwork ready, make sure it's organized on separate layers for body parts. That will make rigging cleaner and easier to manage. Next, add a bone layer from the Layers panel. This special layer acts as the container that will hold your entire skeleton. Place your existing artwork layers inside this bone layer so the bones can influence them. If you don't see the Layers panel, enable it from the window menu so you can keep everything tidy and visible. Now select the Add Bone tool from the left toolbar. You'll see a bone icon. This is your main rigging tool. With it active, click where you want the bone to start, drag to where it should end, and release. That click is your joint or pivot point, and the drag defines the bone's direction and length. Keep your joints aligned to the actual pivot points of your artwork, like shoulders, elbows, hips, and knees. Good joint placement will give you smooth bends and fewer surprises later. Continue adding bones to build the skeleton. Start with a root bone at the pelvis or lower torso for a stable foundation. Then create a spine chain moving up to the chest and neck. Add bones for each arm and leg, making sure each child bone connects to its parent. For hands and feet, shorter bones handle finer movement. Aim for symmetry so left and right limbs behave consistently. If your character has a tail, hair, or accessories, add simple chains for those too. Switch to the Manipulate Bones tool to test movement. Gently rotate and translate bones to see how the skeleton behaves. If a joint pops or a bone rotates awkwardly, return to the Add Bone tool to adjust lengths, orientations, or parenting. Small tweaks now will save time during animation. Finally, bind your artwork to the bones so the skeleton truly controls the character. You can use flexible binding for broad, automatic influence, or bind specific points and layers to precise bones for tighter control. Adjust bone strength and influence as needed to reduce unwanted deformation. Test again with the Manipulate Bones tool, refine any problem areas, and save. That's the core workflow. Set up your project, create a bone layer, add and place bones carefully, test with manipulation, and bind your artwork for control. With practice, your rigs will move naturally and be a joy to animate.